Okay. Potato. Can you hear? Can you hear teacher? Okay, so here, potato, let's check now your answer. Are you ready to see your scores and your answers? Are you ready? Ready? Okay, number one, listen. So this is like dancing, but you do it on ice. You answered ice skating. Look at here. Number one is, let's see. Very good. It's ice skating. Great job, potato. So I'll put check mark. Okay, number two. You can do this after you jump into a lake or a pool. Your answer is swimming. Very good again. Another correct answer. Next, number three. There are funny stories and lots of pictures in this. What do you call to this small book? The answer is comics. Great job. Very good. Next, number four, you can play music on this. And part of it is black and white. What is this? It's a piano. Very good again. Correct. Number five, these are films you can watch on a computer. What do you call to these films? Oh, can you see that? DVDs is the correct answer, and you are also right. Next, number six, people hit a small ball that bounces in this game. The answer, number six, we have here is table tennis. Correct. And number seven, it's easy to carry this kind of computer in your school bag. And that computer that is easy to bring is laptop. Great job, potato. Look at here. You've got perfect 7/7, meaning you got the perfect score. Congratulations, potato. You did great. You were able to get a big or a perfect score in this activity. Very good. Congratulations, potato. Very good because you understand these words. Okay. Now here, potato. Let's make use of these words again. And we are going to use these words to complete the given paragraph. Okay? So we'll use the word hockey, ice skating, comics, DVDs, a piano, swimming, laptop, and table tennis. Okay? Potato, can you please read and tell me what do you think is the correct word in here? Missing words. Come on. Claire. Read now, potato. Claire is my...
When I young the children, the watching like doing hot like honey outside mouth. People say after
Oh, read
Friday
properly.
school.
She
After school.
practices every
She
Friday
practices
every
every
Friday
Friday. Every
after
Friday after school.
Claire.
Oh, listen, you want to but she like it. It's not quite very nice.
Ice.
Little friend.
Okay,
Dan,
what's the answer number one? Wait, potato, wait. Do not make it fast. Just read properly. Come on. It snowed and Claire went eyes blank. What do you think is the answer number one?
I'm skating.
Okay, wait me. Teacher will write. Since you cannot write. Okay, ice skating. Next on. Come on, read. Not read fast. Just read carefully. Go.
On the left with a powerful pen. Dan on water dirt like a
Doesn't.
He likes listening.
Finding new apps and listening to.
Listening to the game.
in his radio or, come on, listening to music on his radio or, come on. Come on. He likes finding new apps and listening to music on his radio or, what is it?
DVDs.
Okay, DVDs, not DVDs. DVDs. Wait, let me write properly. Okay, DVDs. Next. Last Saturday. Go. Let's continue.
Last Saturday, he watches
She watched two new blank. She watched. Oh, he watched. What do you think?
Two new laptop.
Are you sure laptop? Is that your answer?
Don't know.
Oh, you don't know. At home? Come on. At home?
With his friends. The only sport that Melly is.
Oh, the only sport Dan plays is blank in our basement. What kind of sport can we play in the basement? What kind of sport can we play in the basement?
Table tennis.
Okay, table tennis.
Piano, piano.
Piano?
Yes.
Okay, go. Please read. Piano. Potato. Stop playing. You finish this one first.
He'll turn down and try and picture something in a laptop.
Okay, laptop.
Wait me. Three DVD. Three is comic.
Okay, 3 is comics. Okay, there. Look at your answers, Potato. I want you to review your answers. Or read again. Potato, read everything. Let's have a review first. Do not read fast. Shh, Potato, do not read fast. Come on, read properly. Read properly.
My younger sister, she loves her new papers, but she likes doing fun like honey outside more. She plays it at least Friday after school. Charlie likes Sunday with but language. It's no, it's so Charlie when I'm skating on the lake in the park with her friends.
Come on.
My older brother doesn't like park weather and joining beanie side. He likes finding new apps and listen music on radio or DVD. Last Saturday, he wrote new comments at home with friends. Both dance, play piano in Your bandmate with his best friend Mark. When he older, Dan wants to go kind of pictures or something he left her. All children better. He very good at that.
Okay. Are you now ready to, Potato, are you now ready to check your answers?
No.
Okay. So here it is. Okay, number 1. Claire is my younger sister. She loves her new tablet, but she likes doing sports like hockey outside more. She practices every Friday after school. Look at here, Potato. Claire likes sunny weather, but last weekend it snowed and Claire went ice. Look at the answer. Very good. Ice skating. Correct. On the lake, in the park with her friends. Next. Dan, my older brother, doesn't like hot weather and enjoys being inside. He likes finding new apps and listening to music on his radio or laptop. Potato. It's not DVD, but it's laptop. Next, last Saturday, he watched 2 new DVDs at home with his friends. The only sport Dan plays is piano a sport? It's not. It's called table tennis in our basement with his best friend, Mark. When he's older, Dan wants to draw the kind of pictures you sometimes see in comics or on children's websites. He's very good at that. Potato, look at here. You've got mistakes because you are not so focused with what you're doing. I told you. I told you to review. I told you to do it carefully. Where are you now? Stop playing. Okay, Potato, what do you think is the best name of the story? Okay, what do you think is the best name? Is it My Brother and Sister? Is it A Day at the Park? Or is it My Favorite Sport? What do you think is a good
My
title?
brother and sister.
Okay, again, your answer is?
My brother and sister.
My Brother and Sister, are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay, look at here. The correct answer here as the best name of the story is very good. It's My Brother and Sister. Correct. Very good, Potato. All right. So look at here, Potato. We finished the Unit 18. So we are going to do Unit 7. Oh, no. We are done with this unit 18, 17. Now let's do unit 18, okay? With me, let me share to you unit 18. All right, there you go, Potato. What is unit 18? Unit 18 is all about at the hospital. So let's have here some vocabulary words. Potato, what's the first word we have here? We have the word, come on. What is the word, Potato? We have party. Next. What's next to party? We have
Playground.
playground, correct. And the third one is, what's the third one?
Movie.
Movie. Very good. So we have party, playground, and movie, correct. Next, how about the first word? We have
Roller skate.
roller skates. Next, second,
Picnic.
picnic. Third, we have here
Hospital.
hospital, correct. So we have roller skates, picnic, and hospital. Next, potato. What is it? What's the word? Look at the child. It's sick. Oh, this one we have well, meaning he is not sick. Okay, that's the opposite of sick. Well, I'm okay. Next, number 3. The third one we have asleep. Look at the girl. The girl is asleep. Oh, how about this one? This sign. What do you call to this sign? Huh? Huh? Eh, ano na, luto pa dyan ka ni dagang sudan anak. Eh, tiil. Lo eh. Luto pa dyan ka. Okay, what's the first word we have?
Quiet.
Quiet. Next.
Tired.
Tired and
Dirty.
dirty. Do you understand these 3 words?
Yeah.
You know this? Okay, that's good. How about this one?
Careful.
Oh, careful. Oh, if you are not careful, you are called careless. All right, the opposite of careful is careless. Next, what's the next one we have? Brave. Are you brave, potato?
So,
Is potato brave? Yes, you are. And the third word is, what's the third word we have?
terrible.
Terrible. Look at what happened in the terrible. What are these 2 boys doing? Potato, what are these 2 boys?
It is pouch.
Oh, punch. They are fighting. Okay. Are you fighting too? Do you also punch
Yeah.
and fight? Oh, who do you fight? Who do you fight, potato? Ah? Who do you fight? Do not punch. It's not good. Okay? Don't fight. Okay, here, potato. I have here words in each pictures. What are the pictures? Come on. Ah, what's this?
A driver.
Next.
No. A
Next.
party. A playground. Movie. A picnic. Roller skating. A hospital.
No, not roller skates. Roller skates and a hospital. Now here, look at the example. Read the example. You can take potato. You can take with you. Potato, read. Read the example.
Okay. Then you can take them with to eat on trip. This person can take you to different place in a car.
Okay, what is this? Number 1, this person can take you to the different places in the car.
Driver.
Okay, driver. Wait, let me write for you. Next, number 2. Some kids, go.
Some kids invited their classmates to this on their birthday.
What's the answer? Some kids invite their classmates to this on their birthday. What's the answer?
A party.
Okay, it's a party. A party. Next, number 3. You watch this, go.
You want this to table laptop and other children.
Okay, what's the answer? You watch this on your tablet, laptop, or computer?
Movie.
Ah, it's movies. Okay, next. Number 4. Children
Children can run and rabbits can outside here.
climbing. Again, climbing.
Climbing a playground.
A playground. Okay. A playground. Next, number 5. This person.
This person takes you to Maple when you are
Ill. Again, ill.
a nurse.
A nurse. Okay. Right. Here, Potato, are you now ready to answer or to check your answers? Ready? You want to see your scores now? So we have here number 1. This person can take you to different places in the car. The answer is, look at number 1. We have driver. Very good. Correct. Number 2, let me put check. Okay. Correct, number 1. Next, number 2. Some kids invite their classmates to this on their birthday. The answer here is called a party. Correct again. Great job. Next, number 3. You watch this on your tablet, laptop, or computer at the cinema. The answer number 3, Potato, is movies. Look at here. Very good. Movies. Next, number 4, Potato. Children can run and practice climbing outside here. The answer number 4 is playground. Correct. And number 5, this person takes your temperature when you are ill. If you are ill, this one is nurse. Look at here, Potato. Very good. You've got 5 out of 5 correct answers, meaning, Potato, you've got perfect. Great job. Great job, Potato. You did great. Okay, here. Potato, read the mover's tip. Go. If you make spelling mistakes, go. Read properly. Do not read fast. Properly. If you make spelling mistakes, go.
If they spelling mistakes in the reading and writing, you will not get a mark from the answer, even if you have written the
Matched. Not matched.
correct
Matched.
word to the sentence. Remember to check the writing and to finish the exercise.
Exercises again.
Exercises.
Okay, now here, let's do mover's tip. So if you make spelling mistakes in the reading and writing, you will not get a mark for the answer, even if you have matched the correct words to the sentences. Remember to check the spelling after finish the exercises. But since you cannot write on your laptop, so teacher will do it, okay? So here, Potato, but first you have to answer my question. Potato, what was the last birthday party you went to? Do you still remember the last birthday party you went to?
What?
Do you still remember the last birthday you went to? Where did you go? Whose birthday was that?
No.
You don't know. Oh, here, Potato. If you go to a birthday party, what do you do there in the party? Potato, if Potato will go to the birthday party, what will Potato do in the party? Potato.
Yeah.
What do you do in the party if you go to the party? I
Have
Tungtungin ko. Tungtungin yung koranan. What is it?
I have a present.
Oh, you give present to your friend?
Yeah.
Okay, next. Here. What's your favorite movie, Potato? Do you have a favorite movie? Potato. What's your favorite movie to watch?
A superhero.
Oh, a superhero. Which famous people are you in the movie? What is it? What famous people you like to watch in that movie?
Baby.
Hmm.
What?
What famous people are in the movie? Is it heroes?
No, it's me.
Ah, okay. So that's your favorite. All right, here. How about this one, Potato? What
Let
food?
me.
Hmm. Okay, now, are you okay?
First movie is 6,000 of pounds.
Oh, why do you choose that movie? Why do you like that movie?
First they have fun.
Mm. So that's the reason why you chose that kind of movie. How about this question three, Potato? What food and drink do you take when you have a picnic? Oh, if you go to the park with your family, what food and drink will you bring? What
What?
will you bring? What food and drink will you bring if you go to a party? What is it?
Funny.
Okay, come on, think of a food and drink.
Orange juice.
Orange juice. And how about the food? What kind of food do you like?
No. Watermelon juice.
Watermelon juice. Wow, a very healthy drink. How about food? What food will you bring on a picnic? How about
Funny.
food? Yeah, okay. Again, it's?
Fish.
Oh, why do you like that food? Why you chose
Because
that
it's
food?
so yummy.
It's so yummy. All right. Okay, very good potato. Oh, here, how about fourth question. This is the last question for you. What's the name of the nearest hospital in your place? Potato, what is the name of the hospital in your place?
What?
What's the name of the hospital in your place? Hospital. Come on, can you tell me the name of the hospital near your place? You don't know. Okay. How about, is the hospital near your place, Potato, big or it's just a small hospital? Is it a big hospital or a small hospital? It's
What me?
okay. A big or small?
What me?
Okay, now.
Okay.
Okay. Is the hospital near your place big or it's small? It's
It's big.
okay. So if a person is sick, where do you think they will go? Where will they go if they are sick? People who are sick will go to go to hospital. So you have to be healthy so that you will not go to hospital. Are you healthy, Potato? Are you healthy? Yes or no? Potato. Is Potato healthy or not?
No.
Oh, yes, you are healthy because you are not sick. Okay? So you have to be healthy all the time. Okay, so Potato, we don't have enough more time. So that would be all for today, and I'll see you again next time. Okay, so goodbye for now, Potato. Goodbye. See you next time. Good night. Bye.